What's up guys? We're here in Salento, and in this video, we're going to show you our favorite things to do here. So hope you enjoy it. Salento is tucked into the rolling hills of central Colombia. Renowned for producing some of the world's most exquisite coffee beans, it's a haven for those who love to have a morning cup. But besides that, Salento is also known for its stunning colonial architecture and breathtaking valleys filled with lofty wax palm trees. It's also a place where you can ride through the lush terrain in a classic Willy Jeep, which has become an icon in Colombia. In this video, we highlight our 5 favorite things to do in and around the town of Salento. These activities will provide a great taste of what the region has to offer. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Wandering around the charming town center of Salento is a magical experience. The town's colorful colonial architecture creates a picturesque setting. The heart of the town is definitely Plaza Bolivar, a lively square surrounded by restaurants and artisan shops. Here, you can soak up the local atmosphere and enjoy the slow pace of life. Strolling along the main street of Calle Real is another must-do. This street is lined with shops selling traditional handicrafts, clothing, and local delicacies. Make sure to take your time to explore the smaller side streets as well, since Salento is a safe area for travelers. The town center also gets really cozy at night, with streetlights painting the vibrant buildings in a warm glow. Head to the town's main viewpoint for a breathtaking panorama of Salento and the surrounding Cocora Valley. A short but steep climb from Calle Real will bring you to stunning vistas of the town nestled amidst lush mountains. Walking just a few minutes down from here will bring you to a second viewpoint, which has a wooden observation deck. You'll get a glimpse of the beautiful Cocora Valley in the distance and Salento's green hills. This view offers the opportunity to capture incredible pictures and appreciate the beauty of Salento's unique natural setting. Salento's microclimate and rich soil produces tasty coffee beans that are renowned for their complex flavors and aroma. A great way to learn more about the production process is by touring one of the many local coffee farms in the area. We visited Finca El Ocaso, which was situated about 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles from Salento's town center. To reach the farm, we took a Willy Jeep. They leave every 15 to 30 minutes from the main square in town. This was an experience in itself, as we jostled over rough terrain and enjoyed the jungle views. The coffee tour lasted about 2 hours and took us through every step of the coffee production process, from planting to brewing. You'll also learn about the history of Colombian coffee and even harvest some beans yourself. Our guide gave us some key advice for which types of beans to look for during our harvest.
If you get a green bean, I'm gonna fire you. So please don't green beans. The second thing is that you can mix them, the reds and the yellows on the same bags, but they grow in different trees. So look at the top areas, move the leaves, move the branches, have fun, take photos. You have 10 minutes to start harvesting the coffee.
At the end of the tour, you'll visit the processing plant and see how a proper pot of Colombian coffee is brewed. Indulging in a delicious coffee tasting is the icing on the cake. We left a link to the tour we booked in the description below the video. La Carbonera Valley is a hidden gem of pristine wilderness, home to the densest wax palm forest in Colombia. This valley is only reachable by taking a 2-hour drive on a dirt road in a 4x4. The route is very bumpy and slow, but offers amazing views and a secluded escape from the crowds. We chose to explore the valley on horseback, an experience that proved to be one of our most memorable in our entire Colombia trip. With the guidance of a local cowboy, we embarked on a 2-hour ride through the heart of the palm forest. The journey took us to a beautiful viewpoint, offering panoramic vistas of the valley. What truly sets La Carbonera apart is the lack of development and tourism here. This untouched natural environment provided a unique and authentic experience, giving us the chance to connect with nature in its purest form. You can't leave Salento without visiting the incredible Cocora Valley. The most common way to get here from the town center of Salento is again by taking a Willy. These 4-wheel drive Jeeps take you directly to the valley entrance in 30 minutes or less. One of the country's top tourist destinations, Cocora Valley is also home to the tallest palm trees in the world. The most popular hike is the 11-kilometer or 6.7-mile loop trail. This is a really cool route that takes you through the Palm Valley, a lush forest, vast farmlands, and a flowing river. This hike takes about 5 hours to complete and can be done clockwise or counterclockwise. No matter which direction you pick, there will be challenging uphill and downhill sections, but your reward will be gorgeous views of the valley. As you hike, keep an eye out for diverse bird species and other wildlife. There are also other shorter and longer routes available in the region. Staff are available at the entrance of the valley if you need more information for those. We'll also leave links to all of the common hiking options in the description below the video.
The trail can get very muddy, especially in sections next to the riverbeds or after a big rain, so make sure to wear good hiking shoes.
If you're planning your trip to Colombia, we recommend keeping things organized with our interactive travel planner. Find a discount code in the description below the video. We also included other important links in the description that will help with your Salento experience, such as an interactive map so you can get to each place we mentioned. We'll catch you on the next adventure.